JV here, excited you're with me. Little journey video today. How much money are we making? What are we doing with this thing? Well, let's get into it. Hey, my name is JV Glossinger. If you haven't watched the show before, welcome. We do a lot of tech reviews. We have some fun, and we're also making this a journey channel, meaning we're talking about what is actually going on with YouTube and the money in this kind of influencer area. You know, I was told the other day in a meeting that somebody over 50, and I'm going to be 52 this year, could never build a million people follower, a million people thing on these platforms. It's a young person's game. So I was like, oh, that's a challenge. Let's do it. So last couple of weeks, we've been trying to get into the social thing besides YouTube. I'm going to show you that a little bit, but let me show you my YouTube numbers with 14,050 people currently. We can go into this. So if we go into my dashboard, you're going to see we have 14,050 people. And if we go into analytics, we're going to see the last month or so, we've had 646 new subscribers and $843 in revenue. Getting about 8,000 views every 48 hours. Not bad. It's growing. But my issue is when I look at the views, let me see if I can see where my top videos are. You're going to see that the majority of the top videos are to buy videos and Remarkable 2 videos, which we know. These videos don't do that well. And I'm okay with that because I'm actually trying to build a subscriber base that wants to see my content, not just see this stuff. But you can see that we've had, you know, we're getting 600 to 1,000 subscribers. And when we come to revenue, let's see if we can go by video. You can see we're down a little bit. October, we made 1,200. That's when the Remarkable 2 came out. November, 1,100. 1,200 in December. January, I haven't done many videos. It was 985. February, 865. So we came down a little bit, but it's going to happen because of the way these videos work. So you can see here's the last 30 days, our top earning videos were the Which Ones and the Remarkable 2s, which is interesting. Our CPM 1794, which isn't bad. Our RPM, which is what we're getting paid per 1,000 views, is $7.92. That's not horrible. But if we look at the last 90 days, let's just look at that. We're going to see that the iPad and Remarkable videos, the comparisons, you know, there's a $400 video, there's a $200 video. That's, you know, okay. I mean, that works. But for me to build this channel properly over time, I've got to build it based on subscribers and other types of engagement. Because at the end of the day, tech devices can only go so far. And that's why I'm doing these type of videos to kind of show and build an audience, right? With people that actually want to see things that are going on and things that are happening. So right now, with our subscriber count of 14,000, and I don't know why that's showing up there, but we have 8.6 of our subscribers have turned on all notifications. So that's a big one if you like this type of content. Because YouTube's only going to show you the stuff that's like related to what you're searching for, like the Remarkable 2 if you came in for that, and it won't show you like these journey videos if you enjoy this content, right? And 5.3% have turned on all notifications, which has come up. That used to be a little low. So we're at 751 people that have all notifications turned on, and 1.2 who turned on all notifications, and subscribers turned on all notifications for your channel and enabled YouTube notifications, 751. So right now our watch time is about 85% from people that aren't subscribed. So if you can subscribe, it'd help us. And 14.8% that aren't subscribed. It's an interesting demographic. Most of our people are between really 25 and 54, which makes sense. And I believe that they got it up here where they're at. Most people are in the United States, 35%. Now I was looking for gender. I know that. Oh, here we got, yeah, 83% male, which is the opposite of my morning coach stuff that I do, which is personal development. But anyways, it's going pretty good. I wanted to show you that. So we're still in that, you know, right around the $1,000 range. I do make a little bit from affiliate commissions when people go to Amazon and buy, which is great. But we're trying to dial in some other videos, as you can see, besides the Remarkable 2. Those are all the big videos. So it's going to take a while for me to build this channel in a different way, and your help is doing that. And so how are we going to do it now? Well, now we're moving into what's called the micro-influencer stage, and that is doing some social stuff. And believe me, I'm very introverted. This is not something that I enjoy doing the videos. Like you're not here, so it's more comfortable for me. But at the end of the day, the social stuff, I'm not a big real fan of, but we've had to do it. So where we're at right now, Morning Coach is our biggest social media platform. And right now we have, because we've been building this for years, we have 100 and 44,000 people here. You can see that here on our platform. So we have 144,883 people like this Facebook page. They're not all engaged, but we're going to start growing this. So we're starting to put up some good, interesting, fun stuff on that. That's Morning Coach 22 if you're on Facebook. Instagram is something new that we're just starting. Now, I got a new program to get rid of the followers, because one of the challenges I have to be able to build to 1 million people is I can't just follow everybody, right? So this you're going to see 631, but that number is going to come down. I can do about 100 a day. But we have 3,044 people on Instagram, and I'm not even using this yet, but we're going to start building that a little bit. And then our Twitter is pretty good because I've been on it forever. It's 11,600. And again, the following thing, we have 227 followers there. So we're going to see if we can grow this over the next couple months as we grow it. And then TikTok is something new, and we have a whole 17 followers there. The person that's helped me with social media said we need to be doing that. And so we've got those primary areas that we're going to be working on. But YouTube is the baby. I'm enjoying it. We can look at the dashboard. We just got another subscriber while we're here. I probably should have turned off those notifications up here. Do not disturb until this evening. Okay, so that's shut off. And we can see it, but we just got another subscriber, and we've got a great subscriber base that's awesome. We just hit 14,000. And so the objective is to get this to 100,000 at some point. But again, diversifying the content, because if it's just e-ink devices, it's going to be really challenging, and we can get there, but it's not what I want to do. You know, my business is about energy, fun, helping people, and so we're going to be driving some of that stuff too as we continue to grow. And we'll lose subscribers too from that, because a lot of people don't want this stuff, but a lot of people like to see the journey. I mean, that's what we're about, right? So this is part of the journey. So just where we're at right now from monetization standpoint, if we go into our analytics, you know, we're projecting an $850 month. If we look at it, that's down a little bit because I didn't do a lot of videos last month from last month, but it's kind of in target because the Remarkable 2 kind of ran out of steam. And so as new devices come out, I got the color device, that will pump it up. And basically what we're doing then is the devices come out, then hopefully people like the other type of content that I'm going to be creating, and we're going to be building this, then using the social stuff to work. My real business is coaching, as you know. We're launching a new business development group. That stuff works. Like, this is all secondary to that because I'm older. I mean, let's just say I'm going to be 52 this year. That this is, like they said, this is like that 20 to 30 or even 19. That's where they're at. They're in this world. This isn't my world. So I believe it can be done. It's going to be interesting to see if we can pull it off. But I'm going to need your help and everybody in the community's help here to continue to grow this. And if you want to help me, hit that like button. That helps me a lot. Every time I put up a video, somebody dislikes it. So the likes help. And then the other thing you can do is hit that all notifications if you enjoy this. If you don't enjoy this, you're like, JB, I just want to see the Remarkable stuff, then I get it. But if you want to see somebody build this, like, and also do some other fun stuff, then this is a good channel for you. I'm following Johnny Carson's model. I want you to come here and just feel a little bit different. I want you to get some energy. You know, Johnny Carson, my mentor, you know, he let people in their day with Johnny. And I'm trying to build some content that you can have during the day that gets you away from the world and the problems, and you can kind of come, and that'll help you. Also, if you get a chance, you can listen to my podcast, which is done real well. The link's down below. I do a daily podcast. I'm on episode 4,100. I don't even know number, but I do a good energy podcast. A lot of people listen. There's ads in there. Yes, there are. That's how I make a living. But you can also join and get an ad-free version. I'm not making this a commercial about it, but that is another thing that we've built, and that's why I can do this, because that's really the foundation of my business. But I'm having fun, and again, I appreciate you. I hope you enjoy this content. We got a real core group of great subscribers, and hopefully we can grow that to provide you entertainment and then let you in the backside of this so you can kind of see what we're doing as we continue to grow. So go have a great day. As always, I really appreciate you. We'll see you in the next video, obviously. And as always, I'd love to hear from you in the comments. Do you like this stuff or not? Any ideas on things that you would like to see so that I could, you know, start generating the videos for the community that are different than maybe what we do already, okay? Thanks so much. Go have a fantastic day, and I'll be back in the next video. Can't wait to see you then.